Welcome to San Bernardino Valley College. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to use our self-service registration system to sign up for your courses. Please make sure you have access to your student credentials, your username, and your password. To begin, open your web browser and go to San Bernardino Valley College website at www.valleycollege.edu. Once on the home page, click on Login located on the top right corner of the screen. Then enter your student username and password to log into self-service. If you're a new student and don't have an account, you'll need to create one by following the instructions provided on the site. Once you're logged into self-service, you can begin registering for classes. You're going to click on Search for Classes. Then you will be redirected to this tab. Then you're going to want to select which term you plan to start, for example, Summer 2025. You select on your subject, and finally, you're going to select San Bernardino Valley College for location. And then click Search. Browse through the list of available courses and be sure to note the class times, dates, locations, and any prerequisites. And if you're unsure of which classes to take, consider consulting with a counselor or refer to the college catalog. Once you've found the courses you wish to take, it's time to add them. You're going to do so by clicking the Add Section to Schedule button next to each course you wish to register for. Repeat this process for all classes you'd like to enroll in. After repeating that same process for all of your selected courses, you're going to go ahead back onto the main menu tab and then click on My Academics to go ahead and register for all your classes. And you're going to hit the register button right here. Typically, it should be blue. Now repeat the same process for all of your classes. After registering, it's time to make sure your tuition and fees are paid. You're going to navigate to Make a Payment. Your total amount of payment will appear on here. Then you're going to review your balance and click on Make a Payment to pay online using a credit debit card such as Visa, MasterCard, or Discover. Or if you prefer to pay in person, you can stop by the admissions records office to pay fees. And that's it! You've successfully registered for your courses at San Bernardino Valley College. Be sure to check your student email regularly for any updates regarding your classes. If you need assistance with navigating the registration system, don't hesitate to reach out to our Welcome Center, located in ADSS 102. Thank you for choosing San Bernardino Valley College, and best of luck with your studies.